I got a hold of the 4-pack Grabie medium point erasable gel pens. If you get the set of 4, they're all different color combinations. And I'm going to tell you what, they're insane. So let's see it. So I decided this is a tangle called Muka, and normally I draw them so that I can go behind each other, but you take this, it's not really an eraser. It's almost like plastic, or I'm not really sure, but I was able to go ahead and draw all of my Mukas in different colors, and then I just erased the parts that I didn't need with the eraser. Here, I put it over the Grabie fine liner to see if it would take the fine liner up, and it didn't. It did more push some of my graphite around a little bit, but that's okay. It doesn't take the fine liner off, which is awesome. This is a whole bunch of different pens together, and I just wanted you to see how amazing this eraser is, and it really does work. So then I took the Grabie fine liner and wrote Grabie here because I'm so grateful to Grabie to have such an amazing product. Grabie products do sell out fast, especially with new releases. So if you go to the link in this description, which is my link tree, or also I have one in my bio, go down to the tab that says Grabie, because I actually have a coupon code listed there that you can use. Happy shopping and run before they're gone.